Hello and welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to show you how I make this avocado seed powder. What I need is just a bit of an avocado that is just fresh from avocado that I ate, and then I grate it when it's still wet with some water, because it's easier to grate that way. If it's dry, it's harder. So I grate it like this, and then once I'll be finished grating, I'll dry it in the sun. And if your climate is not sunny, or if you're not in a tropical climate, you can use a hydrator, or you can dry it in an oven. It just works fine. Okay, so in the sun it takes me about 3 days for it to dry, and on a sunny day or a sunny week, let's say. But if the weather is not good, it might take like a week or so. But then once it's dry, I just take it and put it in a blender, a powerful blender, and then I blend it until it's very fine, into a very fine powder. And that powder just looks like cacao powder, I think. Cacao powder, it looks like that. And then that consistency, you see. And so I'll use that to make my tea. And if you want to see how it looks, the tea looks like, you can check in the link in the description box below. But so when I make tea, it's very healthy for you, and I take it on a weekly basis. As you can see from the video, it's very powerful product, and this is how it looks like when it's dry from the sun. It changes color a little bit from darker to lighter color, as you can see. And this is the final product after blending it in the blender, and it can last long. Okay, so anyway, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.